Hi everyone and welcome for another geode painting. I did start the last project like this project here at the very same day, so it felt just logical to show you the results almost the same day. But before I start telling you what I did in this video, I want to thank you for your responses on Monday's video. I was really overwhelmed about all these feedback and comments that I received from you, and also about those many ideas that I got or that you have sent me over to try with the resin pigments. I honestly did not expect to get so many comments and so many ideas from your sides. This was really amazing and I was super happy reading all those comments. I tried to respond to as many comments as possible. I hope I catch them all. If I missed someone, don't be sad. I try to catch up when I next log into YouTube. But this was really amazing. I thought about getting 3-4 ideas from you what I can do with the pigments, but it was about more like 8 and so many great ideas were along. I'm so excited to start the project and of course I want to give you all justice and I will try to realize as many of those projects as I can. This will of course take a while, so bear with me, and of course I also have some other videos planned already which will come in between. But whenever I use the resin pigments, I will let you know in advance and I will let you know if this was an idea that I've received from you. Again, so thankful. Just another small housekeeping note. When you were following along my last videos, I did a project from CraftyJenn, which were the silhouette swipes. Super exciting news! I was chatting with Jen the last days and we both agreed on teaming up for a collaboration. So we agreed on creating a 3-project collaboration and this is so exciting. So just as a small teaser, project 1 will be acrylic based, project 2 will be resin based and project 3 will be a bluish abstract painting whatsoever, free for all. So for all these 3 projects we have our base parameters set and now we can be creating whatever comes into our mind. So this so far for a small teaser. We will both let you know once our project is progressing further. So I really suggest you have a look at Jen's channel as well and at my channel, and we will keep you updated along the way. We are not really sure yet if we make 3 videos showing each project or if we are going to show all of them together. I think we will decide that on the go. So coming back to this project, you can see that I started off from a black background. I firstly added some golden Mica flake paint, which is just a paint which is more or less a binder combining Mica flakes. And although it is more like looking beige here in the video, once this is dried, everything is really golden. And as this is a binder medium, I just added my glass nuggets onto it, so everything is glued together once this is drying. I also added a couple of colored smaller glass nuggets around it just to give it a more texture look in the very middle, and I start pouring my resin. The color scheme is more or less the same as I did for our last project, but it ended up being very much on the purple side, which looked great, but I wanted to be more on the white side in this project. You will see in the very end that it did not really stay as white as I thought it would, but at least it's a bit whiter than the last one. So I added white and this time I really tried to make everything even more level. I think I did a better job than with the last one, but I still can improve on that. I do have some ideas how I can make everything even more level when I do the next project. I will let you know. So I poured my paints, I put the purple color again, which was the metallic acrylic paint mixed into the resin, and the white was resin pigment paste, which is actually more designed for resin than acrylic paint is. I again did not really wait until the end of the working time, so I did just mix the resin and started pouring. I think I really should wait a bit longer until everything starts to thicken a bit. And although I only used a very thin layer of resin, I still had some intermixing going when the white hit the purple paint. I felt that something was missing in this piece, so although it was quite white and I had some of these featherings from the purple, it still looked a bit boring, not finished in the end, so I decided to add some more silver and black to it, so just to get this geode feeling. And as I did not really like the result that I achieved by pouring it, I added some more stones, so glass nuggets, very small ones, to this. So this really did a job for me, and the only thing that I did not expect was the more intermixing between the colors once I added the stones. But It was okay for me, I couldn't really change anything about it, so I just let it be and let it sit. Once everything was cured, I decided to add some more of the golden mica flake paste around the circle, the outer circle, just to give it a more variance and even more texture look. And I just love those gold mica flakes, they are so pretty. I also added some of these geode lines, I don't know what to call them, with my Posca markers. If you do not own Posca markers and do have some addings, they work pretty much the same. So here in Germany we can get addings in white, black, silver and gold. They work perfect, so just grab those if you can get them easier. And that is basically it for this project. It was almost the same workflow, although it has a different look and design in the very end. And of course I'm going to do more of those, just to one day be able to master the resin. It still feels a bit unpredictable, and yeah, it takes some practice. So I'm on my way, but I still need to do some more of these projects. Yeah, as usual, I hope you liked my video, and please leave me a comment below if you liked it, if you liked this project better, if you liked the last project better. And if you liked it, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, and even better, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notifications every now and then, just click the bell icon and decide how often you want to be reminded when videos come up. So if you want to help my channel grow, I would be happy if you could share this video with your friends and family and everyone who wants to know about my artwork on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you actually meet all your friends. If you're interested, I also linked all the materials that I've used in the description box below, as well as my social media links. And I have put a couple of my last projects on Etsy, so if any one of you is interested in getting one of those for your own flat, just have a look at my Etsy store, which is also linked in the description box. So the next project that is going to come will be acrylic pouring again, and I do have a realism oil painting video rating. So having this said, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day, bye bye!